Hi everyone. Today I want to share something simple but incredibly powerful. The impact of small daily habits. We often think big changes require huge effort, but the truth is, it's the small action we do consistently that create massive results over time. And the best part, you don't need to wait for Monday, a new year, or a special moment to start. You can begin right now, today. Why small habits matter? Let me explain why small habits are so important. Imagine you read 10 pages of a book every day. 10 pages might not seem like much, but in a month, that's 300 pages. That could be a whole book. Or what if you walk just 15 minutes every day? It doesn't sound like much, but after a year, that's more than 90 hours of walking. Your health and energy levels improve without even noticing the effort at first. Small habits are like compound interest for your life. Each small step adds up and eventually you see big results. For example, for small daily habits. So, what kind of small habits can you start? Here are a few examples. 1. Morning routine. Drink a glass of water. Stretch or write one thing you're grateful for. 2. Learning. Learn a new word in English every day or spend 10 minutes practicing a skill. Health. Take the stairs instead of the elevator or add one extra serving of vegetables to your meals. Mindset. Take 5 minutes to meditate or plan your day before starting work. Notice something? None of these take more than 10 to 15 minutes. But if you do them every day, your life starts changing. How to stick to small habits. Now, starting is easy, but sticking to habits can be tricky. Here's what helps. Start tiny. Don't try to run 10 kilometers a day. Start with 5 minutes of walking. Tie habits together. Attach a new habit to something you already do. For example, after brushing your teeth, do 1 minute of stretching. Track your progress. Use a calendar, app, or notebook. Seeing your streak motivates you to continue. Be kind to yourself. If you miss a day, don't give up. Just get back on track tomorrow. So, remember, small habits are powerful because they do accumulate over time. You don't need to make huge changes all at once. Start tiny, start consistent, and over weeks and months, you'll see results you didn't think were possible. I challenge you today to pick one small habit and do it every day for a week. Notice how it affects your energy, focus, or mood. If you enjoyed this idea, don't forget to follow for more practical tips to improve your life, one small step at a time. Thanks for watching.